Good morning, students of Standard 8. Welcome in day 7. As you know that in day 6 I have started a new topic, chemical effect of electric current, and in that class I have explained activity number 5. So today I will continue this topic, chemical effect of electric current. Okay, so kindly request to all of you, please sit with pen, notebook and turn page number 194, same page. Okay, and see the paragraph after activity. Okay, nails which are used in activity 5. Just remember, in activity 5 I have taken two nails. Okay, and these two nails are called electrodes. So here, nails which are used in activity 5 are known as electrodes. Okay, cathodes and anodes I will discuss later. Okay, but when we will discuss both, then it is simply called electrodes. That means the iron nails which is used to show that the chemical of electric current are known as electrodes. Okay, from activity 5 we can conclude that the passage of an electric current through a conducting solution cause chemical reaction which produces bubbles and a deposit on the nails. In activity 5 we have seen that when current flowing through the two iron nails with a cell in the liquid, which type of liquid? Conducting liquid, like not normal water. When we mix salt and hydrochloric acid, then it produces chemical effect in the liquid and it forms bubbles, and that bubbles deposited on the iron nails. Okay, when an electric current is passed through a conducting solution, that means salt and hydrochloric solution, chemical effects such as bubbles, change in color of the solution and formation of the deposit can be seen. That means we have also seen there the color of the solution may be changed during chemical reaction. That means when electricity is passed through the solution. Okay, this process is known as the chemical effect of electric current, and this process is known as chemical effect of electric current. Students, how will you define chemical effect of electric current in your own language? Okay, so see here, chemical effect of electric current is defined as when electricity is passed through a conducting solution, then some chemical reaction take place in the reaction, and it may happens the color of the liquid can be changed or some bubbles are formed and which is deposited on the electrodes. This process is called chemical effect of electric current. Now let us see next para. The process of decomposition of a chemical compound in a solution when an electric current passes through it is called electrolysis. Student, you have seen in activity 5, when electricity is passed through the conducting liquids, then it dissociates, it decomposes. Decompose means breaking of the substance from the compound. Okay, that means you will take their salt and HCl in the liquid, in the water. When electricity is passed through them, then bubbles are formed. That means the NaCl, that means salt and HCl, dissociate, decompose, and it separate from when electricity pass through it. That process is called electrolysis. Electrolysis, listen once again, the process of decomposition of a chemical compound in a solution when an electric current passes through it is called electrolysis. Okay, the process of decomposition of the chemical compound present in the liquid when an electric current passes through it is called electrolysis. Okay, in activity 5, the deposit that appeared on the nails is due to the decomposition of the conducting liquid. You have seen there, when there is no material added like salt or HCl, then there is no bubbles form. but when bubble salt and HCl, hydrochloric acid or sulfuric acid added in the water, then you have seen there, and electricity is passed through in the water, then bubbles are formed. So we can say that the chemical compound present in the water, that means salt and hydrochloric acid, are break from the water and it decompose and it it form on the iron nail. Okay, such reactions are also called decomposition reaction. Okay, decomposition reaction, when a chemical compound break into its two or more compound elements or compounds, is called decomposition reaction. Students, from activity 5 we conclude the definition of some chemical terms. Okay, so let us see what is the definition of that terms here. First point, the solution that conduct electricity is called an electrolyte. That means the solution which we have to use in the so that chemical electric current is called electrolyte. Okay, that means we can say that the solution of water, salt and HCl, hydrochloric acid, is called electrolyte. Acids, bases and other salt solution are example of electrolytes. That means acid solution, base solution or simple salt solution is called electrolyte. Okay, now second point, two electrodes are inserted. I have told you that two iron nails is called electrodes, are inserted in the solution and are connected to the terminals of a battery with which switch in between. This arrangement is called an electrolytic cell. Okay, the arrangement to show that chemical effect of electric current is known as electrolytic cell. Okay, and the last point is the electrode that is connected to the positive terminal of the battery is called anode. Okay, and the iron nail which is connected to the positive terminal of the battery, then that iron nail is called anode. Okay, whereas the other iron nail which is connected to the negative terminal of the battery is called cathode. Okay, that means both of them called together is called electrodes, but when we call separately, when positive terminal is connected to that iron nail is called anode, whereas the negative the iron nail which is connected to the negative terminal of the battery is called cathode. Students, today's class is over. Now it's time for your homework. Student, this is your homework for day 7. Question 1, define electrolysis and electrolyte. Both are different things. You will just differentiate between electrolysis and electrolyte. Question number 2, define cathode and anode. Okay, you will just define what is cathode and what is anode. Students, today's class is over. Thanks to all of you for watching me. Have a nice day.